The secret team snap word would be Sega.
Yes.
Okay.
Tacos, and then we're gonna hit them.
Tacos! Gee, that's all you had to say, homie. We're about to go get tacos and gas. We're gonna start this. Nope. Kind of break off, do like a mini ride. My horn just beeps it every time I make a left-hand turn. Literally, all these horns right now is just because I wanted to make a left-hand turn. I'll go off-road. Nope, not gonna do that. We're now doing a second part of SBK, a mini ride, where we can do wheelies. This dude's from Houston. If you remember his, on the Coast to Coast ride, his exhaust fell off like the first 10 seconds of the ride. His exhaust is dragging on the tire.
Probably let him know.
Hey, your exhaust is dragging on the tire. That's him. He's got a Z now. Let's put that one down. Look at the $5 car wash here. All these people are lined up just to go through this car wash. That's nuts. Corn in the cup.
What is that?
I don't know, he said we gotta try corn in the cup. So Lewis, when he comes back to Tampa, he's gonna get a Supermoto and a chrome helmet. Stay tuned for that. Stop staring at me with your teeth. Downtown Dallas, out in the distance, very small out there. It's a cool helmet. I've never seen it close. It's kind of cool. You can't put a GoPro on it. Right out. Look at the waves here. Damn, nice waves, man. Holy shit, we got a big ride out. Ah, ow, I think I pulled my fucking elbow out. Lewis. Yep, keep it up. There we go. Cop somewhere. Dallas, please. He hit the deuce. This dude's not impressed. It's so dark. You can't even see your front wheel. Oh, we're turning? Fuck. I guess I didn't look for that blocker. There's cops right there. Well, you know what? If you can't beat them, join them. You gonna scrape it?
Oh no.
This is my type of ride out right here. Oh, hey, it's a police station right here. There's an ad for a band or a rap group on that cop's window. Alright, I'm gonna take a couple pictures since we're downtown. We got the backdrop and all that. That looks like the Linda lady.
It's illegal to have a charcoal grill in the park here.
Lady that called the cops on the people having a barbecue. I think her name was Linda.
Hi, my name's Becky. And my name is Becky. I'm Becky. I'm Becky. And I'm Becky. To you.
Those are some cool ones with the lights. Making our way downtown. Oh, this could be a good one right here. Oh, big bike, chasing wheelies. Oh, what is that? Oh my god, look at that fucking thing. Damn. Look at this one. Damn, he's got the full setup like a wedding photographer. He had the stance and everything. Oh, we're doing some things now. We're straight taking over Dallas. I love it. There's photographers on every corner. Whoa, whoa. What? He's doing he's doing a wheelie on the ground. Oh shit. Shit, Lewis's tire is flat. Lewis! It's flat. He bust the tube. Lewis is fucked. If he takes the turn slow, he might be alright, but if that thing hops off the rim, he's fucked. What are they doing? What? They got flashes and strobes and shit? Dallas is crazy. So I think we're like 30 minutes away from where we left this morning, so Lewis might be behind that bike somewhere in the bush, hopping on the back with me here in a second. We're going by the JFK assassination shot again, or spot. Oh shit. He looped out or scraped really bad. It's flat. Wheeling where JFK got blown away. So that was where JFK got assassinated, where the X was on the ground. Little piece of history. Fucking bird scooter just dead right there. I want to wheelie this whole bridge going second. Oh yeah. I thought that was Lou's last flat tire. Hell yeah, wheeling this whole motherfucking bridge. Boom! Oh shit, almost tank slapped myself. Boom! That's what I wanted to do. Hell yeah, look at that man bun. Man bun. It's 2019, homie. That shit's out. Hey, Team Snap. Team Snap. Team Snap. Sega. You don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Oh, they're spraying. Oh, they're tagging it up. Okay. Doing photo shoots in here. Smells like spray paint. Nice. Look at all the photo shoots they're doing. Alright, take a little break. We'll be back. Alright, I think we're gonna go try to find Lewis. And
Hey, it's nice meeting you, dude. I have to run.
alright, man, it's good meeting you. Ride safe.
Tomorrow, dude.
Alright, homie. Over the bridge. Damn, that truck got fucked up. More photos here. We got beautiful Dallas in the background. Nice light. I was trying to get a couple pictures of damn, I wasn't ready. A couple pictures of Alex. He's let me borrow his Grom, obviously. Looking back. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let's go faster. It's not good to be at the end of the pack. Oh, fuck. Oh shit. We're doing, oh, okay. We're gonna test out these V rubbers, ladies and gents. Oh fuck. Alright, here we go. Oh shit. This is the warehouse, I guess. A legit warehouse. Oh fuck. I didn't even mean to hit him. I just turned my wheel and the fucking the horn went off. Wasn't ready for that. This is fucking cool. They blocked it off though. Stupid fucking thing. I gotta move this. Starting to sound like an asshole every time I make a left-hand turn. Off for a 10. On the other side. On the inside. Oh fuck. Low bridge. Ah, get out of here, bitch. There's fucking barbed wire here. I think they're coming back. Turn around. Alright, we're going back. That didn't work. Oh shit! Watch out, barbed wire! They put fucking barbed wire here, look at that. That was a fail. So So there's like razor sharp barbed wire, like brand new barbed wire, and the concrete slabs here. I assume someone doesn't want us here. Let's see what Lewis is up to. Are you good? Alright, Lewis is good, I guess. Lewis is with a squad, I think, coming this way, so he should be good. Alright, they're gonna do things, I guess. We'll be back. Alright, we're stopped on the side of Dallas rush hour traffic.